On behalf of Eden Fine Antiques Gallery, it has been an honor and a pleasure to bring you items from General Yu's private collection. On a personal note, it has been an honor and a pleasure to meet General Yu's daughter and his grandson, Scott Vogel.
Welcome. My name is Scott Vogel, and I wanted to thank you for joining me in the final exhibit of the fine artworks from my grandfather, General Yu Pingdong. Looking at these paintings brings me back to a time in my childhood when we would be at my grandparents' house. And it would seem at least every season that they would change the scrolls and they'd change the look, and a lot of the paintings look familiar to me. But again, it was a long time ago. My sincere hope is that you will enjoy these and utilize the blessing that they've given me and my family, and you could use them and honor the past as much as I have. Thank you.
Eden Fine Antiques Gallery would like to thank Scott and his family for the fine history that they provided for us. It's been an honor and a pleasure working with you.
Thank you so much, Mel, and thank you also very much. Hi, my name is Scott Vogel, and I am a grandson of General Yu Pingdong. I'm here to talk about a little bit about his legacy and the time that we were able to spend with him when we were living in Taiwan. He was really close friends with Jiang Jinghua, and they spent quite a bit of time together with President Chiang Kai-shek. The time that we did spend with him, being children, most of it was just goofing around and just playing at his house, meeting a lot of his ex-military neighbors, generals, Air Force, Army. I was too young to really understand the gravity of the history and the timing of the wars and all of that. But in doing so, we had discovered after his untimely death that he was quite a collector of artwork. And in doing so, we occasionally would see him display some of the works presented to him by Chiang Kai-shek and Jiang Jinghua. But in addition to that, he had some various other very well-known Chinese artists that I have no idea who they are. That being said, he spent a good amount of his time working as a presidential guard, he was pretty much in charge of the printing, postage, as a liaison for the president and other heads of state. I think up to maybe 50 countries or so. At the time of his death, we had discovered that he had quite a collection, and today we're here to present some of these items. Thank you so much for taking the time out and enjoying some of the stories and the history, the rich history of my family, and to continue on the legacy of the rich Chinese heritage that we so much enjoy. Hi, I'd like to welcome you again. Thank you for taking time out. Behind me we have a few pictures of my family. In addition to that, I have my grandfather in the presidential palace with the founding father of Republic of China. In addition to that, we have a picture of Chiang Kai-shek, and again, my family as well. You have a picture of us in Taiwan, my grandfather, my grandmother, father, my mother, oldest brother, yours truly, younger sister, and the youngest, twin sisters. And here we have my grandfather, grandmother, and of course, my mother. Thank you for joining us.